Good afternoon, esteemed guests, fellow Rotarians and guests, friends. As I stand before you today, I don't just see a room full of people. I see a large, warm, united Rotary family, and I feel truly proud and blessed to be a part of this. My Rotary journey began in the year 2000 when I became associated with Rotary Club of Baliganj Central as a spouse. In 2017, when my husband, CA Rotarian Girish Kanediwala, became the president of this club, my role was elevated from spouse to a first lady. That same year, he proposed that I become a member of this club, and I readily agreed to it. He is a man of vision, and while I did not fully understand what was in his mind that time, today I realize that one step made me walk the path of leadership and purpose. The moment you become a Rotarian, something shifts inside you. You feel more connected, more responsible, and deeply committed. Rotarian Kavisha Jalan. Can I have Kavisha on the stage with me, please? Rotarian Kavisha Jalan, our incoming First Lady, is another example of this. As a member, she has already taken on many responsibilities within the club and is steadily rising the ranks of leadership. I truly look forward to seeing her as the future president. Thank you, Kavisha. And to all the spouses, I sincerely urge you, take that step, become a member, experience that beautiful transformation within. I'm sure our DGs and PDGs would agree to that, because I think we have many examples on the district in this also. Empowering spouses to become Rotarians is one of the truest form of women empowerment. As I reflect on my year as president, my heart is filled with gratitude. I'm thankful for the opportunity, and I feel content with the little contributions that I could make. Among all the initiatives, one project that remains closest to my heart is My Driver is Eye Tested. It brings me immense joy that this is now a sustainable long-term project being carried forward by our incoming president, and it was well appreciated by my DG Krishnenduda, who always spoke about it across the district. And our current DG has adopted it as a district-level project. Thank you, Raminda. Another baby step that I'm proud of being encouraged by the incoming president to take it forward is the contribution of rupees 5 lakh towards acquiring our club's own premises above our dialysis center at Lake Town. This is a milestone towards building a permanent place for our club's future. I offer my heartfelt thanks to each one of you. Serving as the president of this club has been an honor I will always cherish. This chapter will forever remain one of the most meaningful and fulfilling journeys of my life. And last but not the least, I would really like to thank my club secretary, CA Satish Jalan, who stood by me always. He's our president now, and I wish him all the best and my full support. And to end my speech, I would really like to thank my husband, who always encouraged me to take my own decisions, be it right or wrong. And he never interfered or forced any matter on me, even though he is a PP and a husband. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.